Hi, this is Chris from Total Parts Plus, 29 Meadow Ave, Clippers Plains. Our phone number is 07384811382, and today we have a 2016 Mazda 2 Neo sedan, stock reference number 4762. This shape runs from the 9th month 2014 and is the current shape. It has a big VP5 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine backed by an automatic front-wheel drive transmission. VP5 1.5 litre 4-cylinder petrol engine. This vehicle has sustained damage in the right hand rear. We have the bonnet, which appears to have no damage, tidy front bumper cover, radiator grille, right hand headlight, halogen type, left hand headlight, halogen type, left guard appears to have no damage, left power door mirror, left front 15-inch steel rim with an average tyre, left front door has 2 small dents, left rear door appears to have no damage, left rear 15-inch steel rim with an average tyre, left hand tail light, left boot lid garnish. With the right rear 15-inch steel rim with an average tyre, right rear door appears to have no damage, right front door has 1 small dent, right power door mirror, right guard appears to have no damage, and a right front 15-inch steel rim with an average tyre. We have the driver's side door trim, power window master switch. This vehicle is fitted with black and red cloth interior, automatic type console, automatic gear shifter, heater controls, factory single stack control panel display, interior mirror, courtesy lamp, left hand sun visor, right hand sun visor, instrument cluster, and a tidy 3-spoke vinyl steering wheel with cruise control and audio buttons. I'm Chris from Total Parts Plus, and I'd like to thank you for watching this video.